I am the Human Torch. Oh yeah, M1, I just record every episode.
Yeah.
So I can remember the days when we were young.
M1, I need to give myself a voice that matches my outfit.
A bucket of water! Where'd that come from?
Like, will your voice change it?
Yes.
No.
Found one that sounds cool.
Wait, M1, what am I doing again? I'm the torch
Well, didn't
placer?
you have a voice in the game? I forgot what it's on. You're putting water down to pick up all the torches.
Oh, should I do that now?
Yeah. Here, Trey. Once he does that, you start putting the torches down.
There you go.
Demon, Bendy or whatever.
Yeah, he's kind of goopy sounding, so...
Yeah, he's like...
Which one, the demon?
I didn't like his voice.
But there's...
Oh, that one. Well,
Trey,
the
you
one
can
you're
put
playing
that
is like the
in
one that would just mope around and make the bubble sounds, like bubbling in the
Oh, sorry.
bubbling in the ink.
No, like,
You would have to get like the actual like demon looking one. The demon's very deep and like
Your
dark.
house, there's some.
There's 2 pieces of wood in my...
Okay, let me skip.
Well, like those chests out front.
The demon will sound like this.
hold
The
on.
ink demon.
Oh, I didn't realize how much wood was in there.
Yeah, something like that actually, Trey.
No. Alright. No,
Yeah, let's put them on the heat.
select everything.
Hi, Maddie. You just scare the dickens out of me.
Germany cricket.
Trey, you sound like you're like at the back of a box fan and you're just like screaming into it.
I thought he was just doing with his voice. Oh, hello, zombie. Trey, you had to have a heart or something. What happened?
Probably because I was like killing him.
Well, because you're a turd.
You were killing him?
Yes.
And this time you shot him in the face last time. You
Because he wouldn't. Oh, no, I was shooting Tyler.
You were also shooting him. Cause you
Hey, can you get back?
No one would stop turning into a chicken.
You killed him.
And then you randomly would kill me, Caesar.
No, I killed you because you killed him. That's the reason you killed
We run out of torches?
Oh, bullets.
Oh, what's wrong?
I'm so sorry. My brain literally turned back on. It was just like, she didn't do the thing yet.
Here, do you want to put the torches down?
No, you know what? No, you can't. Here you go.
This way you won't rip them up.
Very true.
Alright, there we go. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Yeah, thank you. We need-
I'm being chased by like 75 mobs though.
Oh, that's fine. They're your
You
fan
can
club,
lose
Caesar.
them in the river. Oh, there's another one of my stupid moments. Someone sent me a picture of a river and said, "This is a river," and I said, "That's a beautiful lake."
I mean, you're not wrong.
And he's like, "It's a
It's just a
river."
body of
It's like-
water.
Oh. No, at first he was like, "What lake?" And I was like, "The one you see." And then he's like, "That is not a lake." Oh, sorry. Yeah.
You
Anyway,
punched me
that was
right
stupid.
in my chicken
That was
glute.
stupid. Tomorrow, there's always tomorrow. Do not be stupid.
Oh, M1, there's always time for stupid. That's my motto.
No, I don't want to be stupid anymore.
M1, I'm sorry, stupidism is like contagious and doesn't. That stays forever.
No.
Stupid is
Oh.
forever.
Alright, there we go. Watch out, Trey. This is called the killing of the sand. Trey, I can't understand you with that. You got.
I can't understand you either, Trey.
It just
Speak
sounds
English?
like you're talking through the fan and you're vibrating your lips. Ah! My beer got in my mouth!
That's what he said.
Alright, I've made it back. That is not. Why is there just a random bookcase?
Why not, Caesar?
Okay, do it. Oh wait, on this side they can actually do it.
Alright, you have 26.
Sorry about that. Did I do that? I don't know.
Yeah, you did that.
26? Wow. Thank you. I don't know
Trey,
if you-
turn off your stupid thing!
Fine.
God,
Yeah, Trey, we can't
Irritate.
understand you. You sound like.
you just sound like
women.
the budget Darth Vader. And when I love how you're just trying to collect these torches, but your inventory, I think, is just full. You've been walking over the piles of them, and you're just like, I think I got him. Sorry about it. Do you ever just inhale your own spit and it just comes out a mess?
You have all 26 chests.
26? My goodness. You think we're gonna fill them all?
What?
Oh my goodness.
Don't shoot
Ah,
people.
what the mother?
Oh, you can shoot him.
Someone shot me right into him.
Over mission.
Caesar,
Sure.
work on your aim.
Yes. Indeed.
We can give her these torches, Mr.
That's you. Oops. That's you. Come on. That's you. There we go.
Have water as well, if anyone needs.
Here, I'll dig this out. You guys put torches down. Wait, no, don't take that. I need that.
Caesar.
Forgot how
What are
to
you doing?
do Minecraft. You take the torches, I'll dig it out, and you guys put them down.
Yeah.
Alright, I need to go back and finish placing what I was placing before I move.
There's for stealing a bomb for a torch.
Whoa, boo hooky.
Mr. Bombastic.
Telephone. Oh my god. You're an idiot,
I like
Trey.
The island with all the random torches I placed down.
You know what, Trey? Go play in the sand. Let me and him one.
Go play this. Whoa.
I feel like I'm babysitting.
Oh, I
M2's not here to scold. I must be the
need to go
must
put
be
stuff
the
in
M2
Jesus'
scolder.
chest.
You must be the bombastic.
6 of them.
Oh, wow.
Oh poo.
That's a lot of chests.
I had a lot of wood.
Trey,
You have to make it all into that.
I'm guessing it's
stop.
all that wood was.
Yeah.
It's not even funny. You're irritating me.
I just didn't expect that much.
Dill hole.
And when I still have at least 2 stacks.
Okay, we're back.
Ugh.
I'm back.
Thank goodness.
I need to go.
I'm about to kill Trey.
I'm already dying over here.
Good. That's what you get for putting buckets of water down.
And do you have a mushroom or a sugar cane?
Oh.
You're silent, though.
Trey, do you need help? I just see you struggling over there in that corner.
Hello, pets. I'm back home.
Would you just call me? Oh.
Are you my pet in this room?
I pray
No,
not.
nobody can call you his pet.
Are you
No,
my
not pet. You're my peasant.
You are
Yeah,
able
pet.
to leave my house.
You are a peasant
Do I have a mushroom in here?
in my kingdom. Alright, is that it? Nope, we got missed one more.
All of this is going downstairs to the
Wonderful.
to
And when did your microphone break?
No.
Oh, okay. You just weren't talking.
I wonder why you did that. I was like putting torches.
Oh my goodness. I know where all the torches went. They're in my inventory. I have like 34 of them.
Oh, good.
That makes more
Oh,
sense of
no.
where they disappeared to. I guess I can't break a piece of sand with a trident.
Oh.
Good to know.
Forking it. Fork. Knife.
I'm trying to break this blasted piece of sand and it's not breaking. Everyone, can you see this piece of sand?
It sounds invincible. This one?
No, the one I'm in front of. I'm jumping on it.
Oh, it's not there.
What?
There's nothing there.
Oh, well, it just sunk into the ground.
It's
Must be
still there?
Yeah, it's still there. Bury it. I don't want to see it anymore.
It's invisible.
There we go. Much better. Out of sight, out of mind.
Haunted sand.
Haunted sand.
Yes, they
It's
know.
like a. That's just like a forgotten Goosebumps book.
It's in my basement. Just remind me of that.
Caesar, I'm never going to your basement.
You mean
Yeah,
where the
that
chicken
sounds like
wrestling farm is?
I would not like to lose my skin and my flesh. Thank you. M1, what happened to our system? I thought I was the water boy in the pit, and you were the torch maker.
And you start doing that. Oh, you just picked up the.
You know what?
You do
You know
water
what?
boy things. Oh, go stop. Take my torches.
You
Wait,
take the
I can't do
torches,
it.
you
What's
bum. You're the torch placer.
No!
Take them.
I'm gonna go over here in this corner, Dick.
What goes in the?
How about sand?
I don't know. How's Sam with you?
I don't know what's up with you, son.
Sam,
Sons.
what are you doing?
Oh,
Sans, what are you
sons,
doing
sons,
here?
listen.
Oh, you know, boning around.
We don't
Funny
got no
how
wood, y'all,
science
and I need
so
this
it
thing.
origin is
M1, I have wood.
actually
What do you need?
Shovel?
That looks like
Where are you?
some sort of spike.
I ran
Looks
away.
like that sand right there.
No!
Why did you
I'm
run
gonna make
away?
it an even
I
longer
went to go
spike.
find wood.
You just need sticks or do you need wood?
Spike.
Need sticks mostly.
Spike. No, put down that gun, Spike.
You gave me 2 sticks?
Hold on.
That.
There you go. Merry
There
Christmas,
you
you
go.
spoiled brat.
Me.
You gave me 2 sticks? What's wrong with you?
Well,
I
like,
asked
you
for
got the
7.
shovels.
No,
Impatient little brat.
The invisible sand got me.
Grandpa, you're so
Oh,
stingy.
yes, I need that. I needed that. Okay, I needed that.
Okay, there. I have shovels.
Caesar's working on this potion stand.
Hey, can I put a torch under that and see see what happens?
I'm trying to get as long as I can.
Go
To
for
see
it,
how
Trey.
satisfying
what
it is
the-
because it's playing.
You're gonna fall if you do
He
the
already
torch.
did, M1. He already did.
Oh, Trey. Eat
I'm
something.
fine. There was a second one.
Oh, Trey, you fell again.
Oh.
Bootstrap, let him
You're
build
supposed
up.
to put the torch thing.
Oh, you're trying to do that goofy thing.
Put these things down here.
Alright, I
Let me
won't
make it
touch
bigger
your
again so
special
we can
palace over
have
there.
this- Why is it? The invisible sand is killing me. I
What are
think
you
I
doing?
get what you're on to, Mr. M.
Me?
Why?
Nah, what?
What am I doing, M1?
He's running into this wall.
Sorry, I'm not gonna lie. I was watching something and I just look over.
It's time.
Okay.
Hold on, I was
Wait.
I was wiping my TV set because it had a stain on it, but it wasn't my TV. It was the video I'm watching. Had a stain on their camera.
Okay.
For
now
this
you
part,
can
we
do
just
it.
have to do it by hand, Mr.
Oh, just scoff
Okay, now you
thing.
do it.
I might as well
Just
go get the
catch myself.
TNT.
Oh man.
Okay,
We
it's
could.
not
We'd
gonna
have
do it.
enough to fill in for sure.
Oh, 100%. Get rid of half that. Well, I'm not gonna lie. With all this sand, we won't have to get glass ever again.
It's true.
And we
I'm
do
gonna
sometimes
it,
need
in
sand.
one-
Venice might need lots of glass.
It probably did. Half of them are. You know
yeah.
what? I think like half of Venice is
Speaking
like
of Venice,
windows.
Italy, actually, if you an image of it on Google Maps, it looks like Patrick needing water.
What does that mean?
Actually, it does. Let
You
me
mean
get
that time where SpongeBob met Sandy and Patrick's just there on the ground like coughing? What kind of place is this?
picture of it? Venice, Italy.
That was a funny episode.
Does it actually look like Patrick? Dehydrated Patrick.
Is the M1? Is the camera on?
It's me, Patrick. I need water.
I love referencing things you guys have done. It's always fun.
Shooting people all yesterday.
Let me
all
send
last
it
night.
in the chat about time.
M1 because you every
Oh,
time I
this
get
is
struck.
Trey's tower. No wonder it's taking 5 years to not
Well, that went down.
see that.
You know what?
Trying to do the torch.
I have an idea.
Yeah, that would be worth it.
I did it.
Here it is. Chat about talking. Venice, Italy.
Oh, here she comes. Ooh, wow.
Yes, I need to make that. Okay.
Yes. Hey, Caesar.
Yes.
Would you like to come help us?
What do you need help with?
Funny.
I don't know. Tearing down the sand.
Yeah, sure. I'll be there when I finish getting gas.
That's okay. So no. All right.
No, Trey, we're trying to tear down, not build up.
You scared me.
Hardcore.
Parkour.
So, how was your day, Mr. M? Your week? Like, I wasn't here for that part when you guys did it.
Trey, why? Trey, why are you building in
What?
the center?
Do parkour.
Oh, Trey.
Stop building stuff.
Trey, build
I
it.
don't have a pickaxe.
You then
Does anyone
stop
else?
building. I'm gonna
Then take a shovel.
break your bones.
Trey,
Okay.
come here.
I don't mind.
Con,
No.
found it.
Take
Ah,
a shovel.
feels like I'm babysitting. But then one.
We aren't here to have fun. We're here to...
I'm here to look at pets.
Yeah.
I miss
we're
him
here
too
to
already.
Dig sand.
Oh my
Look
god,
at the
it's like the
sand.
sand. It's like the movie about digging holes in the sand. I think it's called Holes.
Yeah, where it has like these, where it's like these kids going to like a
Prison.
mile in the desert and they dig holes.
It's in one's house. She never found it.
Oh, it's her house, the hole. Nice. She
Is that
lives in a
insult?
hole. Who knew?
See, like that. Like, come up with your own joke, Trey.
That's not what I was saying, but okay, I'm sure.
Now you know how I feel, Caesar, when you butt into something when I say something. I'm like, oh, the Grand Canyon. Oh, yes, the giant rock wall.
Oh yes, the
Shut your hole.
The sand is very easy
I hate
to
you.
break. That's what I was going to say.
Uh-huh, my rear.
Where is the crafting table?
The trap? Where?
Oh, pull up your pants, then you won't see it anymore. Just like in the wrestling video, just pull their pants up, then you won't see the crack.
Ask him.
I said the crafting table.
Oh, the crapping table?
What you
Well,
said?
if the table's...
You saw it first. Caesar pull its pants up.
Trey,
The crafting table needs pants.
what did I just say?
He's just
The
gonna
belt.
ignore all of you and continue searching for what he's looking for.
Caesar, are your pants down? Pull them up.
I will do as I
Have
will.
you thought about a belt? I wear a lot.
Sometimes
Have you
people
ever
wear
think
belts and
about
they don't
thinking
pull
or
their pants
thoughts
up. It's
when
just for
thinking or
looks.
thoughts?
My goodness, someone! I can't believe we
Thoughts
we
when
made
thinking and
tore down this entire island. Look at it.
I know.
Good
right?
gracious,
Yeah.
marble.
Built this city on rock and roll.
Stick to your original job, Trey. I don't think singing's meant for you.
And you know, whenever we finish it, then we can.
No,
do
you
it.
know whose voice is
But
like
don't
an
say we build it
angel?
on-
Deadly's voice. Deadly has the voice of an angel.
For singing?
Yes. Have you ever
Yeah,
heard him
that's
sing?
nice.
What?
That's nice. Like maybe like this is in
I
the
want him to
background a
sing the
little bit.
potato song.
It's not what potato song.
I could imagine him having a nice voice.
The potato song.
I don't know why.
Trey, I
just
feel like
turned
every
into
time
the-
Deadly talks about
like one of
Pete,
my teachers
you
would
think
play
it's
the
that
song
you're
where it's like
Pete.
saying, I eat potatoes and stuff.
Let's Deadly
So
be
like a
Deadly.
TikTok song.
Oh yes, this was Tyler's old house, burnt to the ground.
Oh, Tyler didn't have an old house. Tyler lived in a hole before
And
Deadly
out of
joined.
shovel.
Tyler lived in like a shack
Uh-huh.
in the village.
Oh, wow.
He was with us on Foundation Day or whatever it's on. Remember
Yeah,
we
being a
went
lazy
down-
sack and complaining.
Yeah, I remember he left the door open and we all died.
Yeah,
by the
we...
creeper.
Oh, wait, yeah. In the beginning,
We,
wait,
like,
I
were
forgot. We
starving
went
and
in the
crawled out of the
two tribes. There
maze.
was the jungle place, and then there was just sand. It was me, you, and
Yeah.
Tyler, and I hated every blessed moment of it.
I recall, yeah, you guys were complaining about the doors being left open and Maxwell Kaboom.
That was the birth.
Tyler was the first one who grew us up.
Yeah,
We
I
all just showed
remember.
up out of the desert, starving to death, built a little shack, and we're gonna huddle there for the night. But then Tyler came in and left the door open, and a creeper followed him.
Yeah, it was fresh
Yeah.
heck.
Didn't we crawl?
I need a new shovel, or I'll just dig with my bare hands.
How about you go build one, you bum?
Okay.
Stop
Okay,
asking for
Commander
things and go
Caesar.
build them. You have the materials.
No.
Yeah, you do. Go make them.
Need to bring
Oh,
some
go
up.
get 'em.
Iron on me, or sticks.
Go make the non-existent materials out of non-existent materials.
I'll use
Hey!
a little bit of Mr. M's wood to make a crafting table.
Don't you dare. There's already a crafting table over there.
Yeah, but you
Yeah.
see how far that is?
Go grab it.
We gotta run.
My goodness, you all are lazy
It's
bums.
right behind you.
Strip, you're not even thinking. Where are you?
I'm
at?
over here. I'm at the end of the island digging.
Okay,
Digging my
maybe you
grave.
are, but you don't know.
This island.
Yes, I do. I just ran over there, got something, and then came back. What do you think they call me Chicken Run, baby? I run. I feel the exercise in my
Up
glutes.
here. Yeah, there's like a little bit of water.
You know, I'm seeing.
That's
I'm
an
seeing that there
oasis?
have been
Okay.
less and less dinner
I
bells.
say it's an oasis because
Caesar, the reason for that, I believe, because M2 was tired of it and just killed all your dinner bones.
In this oasis, just see how far you can build up with all the sand you have.
M1, have you noticed?
And if you fall, land in the oasis. Oh, actually, never mind. There's night birds just asking for death.
Well, good luck, good evening, and good night.
On me. So even if I
My
fall, I
diamond
can
shovel's
bucket
almost
clutch.
dead.
Okay,
No,
I'm
I
building
broke
up
so
for you,
many things.
M1.
Why are you building up?
Look at him go.
It's-
You be
don't
careful
get
though,
any
right?
ideas.
Don't shoot him. I want to see how far I can go. He's got to go out of
Well,
render.
now, M1, you telling me not to shoot is making me want to shoot. You can't tell.
If I say the other way, then you'll
like-
be like, "Well, I got permission."
Exactly. Both best of both worlds.
You can shoot me. if you
All right.
like.
Don't try.
It's a metaphor. You.
Oh,
No.
why? He died before he hit the ground, mister.
I was given the okay.
Right. You should try.
He said he wants to shoot when you said don't shoot. So I said shoot. So you'd be like, I don't want to shoot now.
Oh, that didn't work, did ya? You didn't think that through, did you? You just gave me the gun and I just said pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger, Croc. Wrong.
Croc?
Actually, Caesar shoots you anyway.
Who's Croc?
Yes.
You mean
Because
Kronk?
Because you like to.
Pull
You
the
have
trigger,
foot,
Croc.
I see foot. Floating in the ocean.
Trey, do you mean Kronk? Trey, you said Croc, not Krunk.
Wrong lever.
Wrong
I say
name.
My stuff. I need a build for the M1 Hinson.
Trey,
Full name.
Trey. Was that on purpose that you said Croc, not Krunk? Because his name's not Croc, it's Krunk.
Croc, but I said Croc. Croc.
Pull the...
The Croc.
What? Hold on. Pull the...
Let me build the tower.
Pull the... Hold on.
Pull the lever. Croc.
No, pull the trigger, Croc. That's one messed up, like, rebooted episode of Emperor's New Groove I gotta see.
Try, you gotta use a piece of.
Run, chicka!
I have to rebuild the tower because I fell off.
You don't have to rebuild it. Just climb it with your bare hands.
Okay, if I was a spider, yes I would, but I'm not.
You don't need to be a spire, just
I'm not
believe in yourself,
Spider-Man.
Trey. Believe.
Okay.
You're not believing enough. I don't see you believing. Come on, Trey. You can do better than that. I know you have the magic in
How
you.
many stacks do you have? You have to have a
I
decent
have
amount.
4 stacks and
Oh,
That's
stacks. I
enough.
thought you said sacks. And I'm like, what do you mean?
Oh, you can't fit it. Okay,
What do
go,
you
Trey,
mean?
go.
How many sacks of
Fly
sand
away.
do you have in your back pocket?
You gotta go
I
to the
can
moon.
Yeah, go to the moon and give me some cheese, could you?
Imagine the moon in Minecraft
Cheese.
itself.
Cheese,
each time
Gromit.
you looked up, you think, oh, that's
Cheese.
the moon. And instead it's because the end has holes in the ground.
You
Moon.
know what else has holes? Cheese.
Your bum?
Therefore, it's cheese.
Trey, I'm gonna ignore you just said that before I break your neck.
It's gonna have holes
I'm on
soon
my
when
way
you
back.
break it.
That's Trey, no need to be gross. I don't.
How
I've been
dare
tired, but I
you.
feel like that was gross.
Oh,
When I make a mom joke, I don't make it to make sense. I make it to not make sense.
Oh, hi, Pecan.
So sad when Joe died yesterday.
Who's Joe?
Oh, Mom. You said you did the mom jokes, now you got mom.
Oh no.
Now I'm gonna kill you off that giant tower once again.
Oh, where are you, Caesar?
Oh, I see the giant tower off in the distance from my house.
I can see the clouds.
Oh, he's shooting, Trey. Watch out.
I'm gonna go I'm gonna go to heaven now. I see the cloud.
He's going to heaven, Mr. Let's
You're
Good.
going to the moon.
While you're there, tell my dog Sparky where's the
If I
$5
fall,
he $8.
Somewhere else. I'll tell the dog that you owe you $100 just to give you more.
I am so close to hitting you.
The tower is getting taller as we get closer.
Yes!
Oh.
Boom, baby!
It's just
That was from my mother!
bend it up there. Oh, those are arrows. Never mind.
I have to climb all the way. I have to
Yes,
build
that's
the
what you
tower
get
now
for the
just
mom
to get
joke,
back
you
up there.
turd!
Hi, Caesar. How's it going? You look like a common salmon.
Common salmon. Huh. Never heard that one put before. Caesar, you know what, Caesar? You look like the common salmon folk.
As soon as I went down. I was
You
just
ever been
saying
called
you
a
look
common
like
salmon in your
common
life? I don't
fish.
think so. Means you're not unique.
Just kidding, you look like a cool fish. Or ice.
Ah.
Oh,
I guess you're not
Don't
cool
get it
salmon.
stuck,
You're
guys.
salmon.
I'm trying to get it, but he's
you just don't kill him again. Oh, wait.
Oh no! I picked up his junk. Ugh.
I think, Caesar, I think the idea of eating pizza in a knife is cool.
Oh, excuse me? You're eating a pizza with a knife?
Yeah,
Were you dropped on thine head?
I think
Caesar puts his pizza in the microwave and eats it with...
When I put mine in the microwave, I don't eat with a fork. I'm a manly man. I eat with my bare hands and in my
You're
face.
The Tyler dude.
The Tyler dude. Do you mean Tyler?
Toilet. It's Toilet Moto. He's back.
Wait, Tyler's here?
Yeah, Toilet Moto's back.
Tyler?
Is he speaking?
Tyler,
talk to us.
wake up. Our lights sound clearer to you.
Hold on.
Wake-
Trey, that does not look anything like Patrick. That looks like a deformed turkey.
If you look close enough and believe...
I believe it is not him.
Looks like a deformed,
Turkey.
no,
It's a
Looks
fluff
like
duck.
anything if you put your imagination to it, like
Alright, looks like burnt toast if someone sat on it and farted on it.
Mouth.
Yeah, I can see the mouth, but I can't see the rest of him.
behind you.
There's a little tail though.
Yeah.
Right behind you.
I'm climbing
I
up my
see nothing.
tower.
He was in the ocean.
It wanted
Ugh,
to
oh, there
towards
it
the tower. It wanted to see if I'm doing it right.
I was trying to get
Tyler, how you doing this evening?
so I can throw you in the ocean.
He's not talking for some reason.
Oh, there's water.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Ah, why?
Feeling sad?
I'm just, my heart is aching and just so anxiety.
Destroyed the tower!
Oh, I fell.
Last night,
Oh,
my brain made one of my.
Someone destroyed our tower.
Who did? Caesar, why?
I'm trying to get...
I didn't do it.
I'm holding the tooth.
I'm not. This is a cigar, thank you very much.
The moon, people.
Wait,
I'll
what
see
happened,
you at the
Tyler?
moon.
You said that your heart's aching from anxiety. You've been stressed out.
I made one of my good friends upset last night, and I didn't
Oh.
mean to, but I just feel bad. I just,
Did
Well,
you fart?
Did you actually do something wrong to him, or was it just a misunderstanding?
it was just a little misunderstanding. I mean, it's just that what happened was like, I did something like didn't get his permission in the past, and I'm telling this him now, and I just made him upset, and he already forgave me. I feel really bad. I wish I could have, maybe I could have at least.
You fell?
Why are you trying to shoot me?
Well, yeah, don't worry about it now, Tyler. It sounds like you
Now I have to
apologized
climb
and
with
he
water.
forgave you. So, like, You know, that's the best outcome you can have. Like, you can't go back and change it, but you can change it in the
You might
future.
feel
You
a little
cannot
bit of,
do stuff like
you
that
might be
again.
wet a little bit.
Why am I
Just
wet?
Just know that.
It's just raining.
That's not me. I'm over here.
I already have some. It's for the tower, and I have to save it.
You showed your friend something?
Cause you already broke the other one.
I didn't break it. It was Mr. Ron.
It was not me. I was holding a cigar.
Without his permission.
I was holding a cigar.
You were holding what?
Cigar. Thank you very much. Here it is. It is lit, and I'm smoking it.
Thanks for letting me know. I don't consider the smoke behavior because it's bad for your health.
Shut up, Trey. It's a joke. I don't smoke. It's a joke. Looks just like a cigar. Mother Bruce smokes a cigar.
Bruce Lee.
Well, like, the fact that he's forgiven you is great. So you can be thankful for that.
At least he forgave me. I mean, it could have been worse, like, kind of like leaving me. That's what I was worried about.
Tyler, let me give you some words of advice from your brother. If Deadly was here, he would tell you, Pooh, don't worry about it. Just give him a potato.
Just give him a potato, bro.
That's right! You repetitive little monkey.
He was just adding to the joke, Mr.
Make up your own stuff.
I don't know why. I guess I'm really sensitive. I just burst out crying.
Oh, Tyler, don't cry.
I get stressed out.
Listen, Tyler, that all happened yesterday. You gotta move on. The new day has come, and you must move on. Move on before I kill these two.
I was trying to do the quote from Master Oogway.
Then stop repeating everything I say, you conniving jack in the box.
I'll put like 3 in your chest and then 1 in your head.
And I'll come back and light your place ablaze.
Oh my goodness.
You don't know.
You guys are comforting Tyler while, like, so threatening Trey.
I'm trying, but my God, people just don't want to stop repeating.
Oh, by the way, Caesar, I read some of the Bible that you suggested me last time.
What'd you read?
Don't shoot.
Trey, how much you want to bet I can nail you from down here? I nailed you from the top before. I think I can do it again.
Hey, Trey!
No.
Uh-oh.
No.
Uh-oh.
No.
Biscuits!
I'm about to die.
Wait, that was M1's fault. She moved the water.
There's water everywhere. What are you talking about?
Wait, Trey, really? You didn't even, like, the sharpest corner of this water you could not even nail. You just hit the ground.
Tyler, where'd you read?
I was trying to get up there.
You didn't do
I
enough.
don't want to waste blood, so I'm using.
Hold on, Tyler.
I'm using.
What book? I'm curious.
I need to click on you. There we go. I need to turn you up. I had you turned down. Because you're a little loud.
Turn down for what?
Alright, now what were you saying, Tyler?
I mean, I just only read chapter 3.
So much sand.
Where are you
the
reading?
Sandman.
Which book?
No.
The one that you
I'm sorry, the Sandman must have been killed.
John.
Mr. Sandman, give me a drink.
I like China.
So you read chapter 3 or you just read chapter 1?
Wait, Trey, how are you getting here so fast? Do you have a bed somewhere?
There's a bed over there that I set my spawn point to.
So you read chapter 3 out of order? Or
Hey,
you...
it looks like there's like a house in here under the island.
Oh, you
Like
went
an entrance to a house, but it's blocked off.
That's good, Chad.
Hmm.
Lot of reading.
Trey, I just realized, once you're up there, how are you gonna get the water to go down?
The water will stop once I get to the top, so don't.
Tomorrow we might be reading in John as well, but at the end of it.
Well, we might, depending on if M2 can pull those vocal cords back together.
I just read it because when
Yeah.
it's
Well,
Or he might ask you to do it, M1.
yeah, he did I don't know. It's Easter, so I kind of don't want to skip it because it's important. You know, he probably. Hopefully, he will be able
Easter
to
tomorrow,
use his voice.
especially you, Miss Trim.
Yeah, what about me? What?
I said, hope y'all have happy Easter, even you, Miss Trim.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. You too as well.
Yeah.
My butt.
I hope you get a crab chest dummy in your Easter basket with rabbit ears.
Thank you.
Dummy at Easter.
What were you saying, Tyler?
Like sometimes I need to remind myself that since living like we all make bad mistakes or friends. We can you know we all mess up.
Oh, poo bag.
Come here, bunny. I'm killing you. Come here. Die.
Wait, did someone say bunny? You're gonna kill the Easter of
I'm killing
rabbits.
3 of them.
Trey, I'm the ghost of water past. I'm here to save you.
Water.
Hello, Trey. I'm the ghost of poop log past.
Yeah, did you? Whenever you were reading, what you think? Did
Hello,
you think
Trey.
anything? I'm just curious.
No! Uh-oh.
When you were reading, did you see anything that you liked?
Continuous tall.
If
please
not, that's
answer.
fine. I was just curious.
I'm still getting started with the book. So,
That's fine.
I'm sorry I didn't read that much, but I did read 1 to 3. But yeah, it is interesting. It is an interesting read.
You didn't make it, Mister.
I did not.
I'm not trying to force you. I was just curious with what you did.
No, I found you, Trey. Trey, I'm your father. Long lost ago.
Yeah, I'm glad you reading it.
Okay. Hello,
Keep on.
sir.
Hello, I'm your father. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to hit you. I probably shouldn't be up here, should I?
M1, look at my arrow.
I probably don't need to be up here.
Look at my arrow.
Wow, he's swimming.
Almost there.
Oh, poo bag. Catch
How'd
me!
you do that?
God,
I shot it at Mr. N.
Ah, you missed. Try and luck next time. Here, let me try at you.
So you went to the moon yet?
I almost
Are you
fell
falling?
for a second.
I didn't even hit you, you dirt.
I caught myself. Try to get up to the top.
Trey, don't worry.
Please don't shoot me, anyone down there.
Yeah, my
Don't
pants
worry.
are about to break up.
Mr. M saved you.
I did. Did I? I don't know what I did.
No, you shot me right as I released the trigger button to release the
I
arrow.
did. No water, peeps. I'm here.
What if, Trey, what if we just got rid of all your water down here? How scared would you be?
Then we'd have to
It's
tear
fine.
up something again. We just got done tearing this place down. Okay,
I'm
guys,
getting
get ready to
clouds.
quit.
I'm holding
I gotta
shift
go
so I don't
soon.
fall.
Alrighty.
Shoot him off the
Well, at least we got rid of all this stuff, so now all we gotta do is wait for him to come
Trey's
here.
trying to go to the moon.
No.
There is a limit to the sky of how high you can build.
Trey, dodge!
Hi, you missed.
You picked up the water.
I'm in the clouds. I'm in the clouds, people.
Came into the clouds. They're shooting Trey. I can't even see him anymore. Where are you guys shooting?
Water.
Darn.
Shot me off.
coming for me. I don't care.
I made it to the clouds and you had to shoot me off. And now the bird's eating me.
Well, Trey, while you were up there, did you see anything? Look at
I
this
saw
little
Doug
bit.
up there saying, I owe someone money.
That's Uncle Bob.
I think it was, I don't know who. But
Wait,
someone was
hold on. Wait, Caesar, don't. Caesar, don't. Caesar, don't.
Put a torch under it and let's break it.
Yeah!
Trey's hard work.
I already
Magic!
Oh,
No!
let's go.
God, ended right
I'm getting showered.
Ah, someone ruined the
there.
magic.
And finished. It was sand
I'm
shower.
Sandman now. Here, if I throw
May
the
showers
Sandman-
bring you sand.
Oh, just imagine. You have sand all in your hair. Oh, disgusting.
M1, imagine sand shampoo.
Ew.
Imagine all that grainy crap.
Too much exfoliation.
Come on, it's time for you to go to sleep. I'm the Sandman. If I throw
Sleep on the sand, man. That's a comfy bed, ain't it?
Don't kill him. Trey, get in the water. Quick. Hey, now it's time to quit. No one kill Trey.
Son.
No one killed Trey.
Now it's time for you to go to sleep.
You guys gonna leave?
Son.
Okay, fine. I'll leave.